Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Brittany. So today I'm going to be doing another unboxing video from Goldmine and Coco. I am a brand ambassador now, and so they're going to be sending me PR, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys the stuff that they send me. Stay tuned to the end because I have something special for you guys. If you want to purchase anything on their website at regular price, just use the code Brittany10. You will save 10% off on your purchase. Let's get into it. This is what they sent me in PR. So super excited to see what's in here. I'm gonna start with the stickers and then I'll get into a flip through of the sticker book. So here is the Wrap Me Up stickers here with this beautiful outfit with the over the knee boots. These are probably thigh-high boots, a fedora, a nice deep burgundy skirt, ivory sweater, some earrings, and a cute like poncho. Ooh, oh my gosh, she is so pretty. Okay, so this is their Holly sticker. Y'all, she is beautiful and plus size. She has on this like shaggy green jacket and a wrap top, some skinny jeans and some heels and a black purse, and then her hair is so pretty. You can get this in light brown or brown. Oh my, I'm losing it right now. Oh my gosh. Then we have the Icy sticker, and I have her in light brown. She is super cute. She has like this short holiday sweater peeking out from under her brown oversized blazer. It's like coming over her hands. Yo, this is so cute. She has on some heels, a black purse, and then this ponytail. Super cute. Then we have Noelle with a shag sweater in burgundy, some distressed jeans, high-waisted jeans, some heels, and honey blonde hair. All of these are super pretty. And this is one of the trunk pieces with the striped top, these thigh-high boots, this gray skirt, these earrings, and this duster here. Super cute. This sticker book dropped in October, and they were kind enough to send it to me. So super excited to see what's in here because I've liked the other ones they've come out with. Let's get into it. Okay, so we have some functional stickers. I like that they balance functional with decorative with their stickers. I like her shortcut. It says Slay Sis. We have today, appointment, and then another appointment. And these kind of double box kind of stickers, these larger stickers here. Okay, and then we have different dolls with different complexions and outfits. Their outfits are, they look more like springy, spring summery, but super cute. So in the middle, these stickers say, give yourself time, bless beyond measure, make yourself priority. If serving is below you, leadership is beyond you. And then believe. Then we have these circle stickers here with meeting, workout today, date night, appointment, and self-care. Then we have these doll stickers here. She has on mustard, pink, and then this mint color. And they have a combination of light brown and brown dolls. Okay, this lady has a shaved head and she's in a bathing suit, super cute. We have this lady here who has her planner and a tumbler in her hand. Off the shoulder top with this plus size doll in different shades of brown. And then we have this lady at the bottom who has this cute shortcut in light brown and brown. Okay, so then we have like this floral situation. This is giving me very much spring with the color palette with teal, pink, and like a mustard kind of color. This says, it's the weekend, keep growing. We have this girl in this casual outfit with a cap to do, and then this floral washi sticker, and then these list stickers here. More functional boxes with the outsides decorated. Then we have these bigger boxes with florals in the middle, and then the dolls at the bottom. Ooh, love that. This is gonna be perfect for people who are doing like some bullet journaling or trying to just switch up your spreads. So they have the days of the week. Then they have these colorful boxes, very nice. So she has on this peplum outfit, peplum top, and then these floral leggings. She has on a bathing suit that says love your body. Then she has on kind of like this vacation outfit with a nice print on it. Then we have choose happy, slay sis, self-care, and keep going. And then some functional decorative boxes at the top. We have today, some long today boxes, some functional boxes down here. And all these stickers down here say goals. Colorful long boxes with the dolls at the bottom. And then we have some more functional boxes. And then over here it says remember to do errands, important priority, crafting, self-care. And then it starts over with remember and to do. Then we have errands, important, declutter. I need to be using this all of November. Remember, plan, and due date. Okay, and then we have a page of adulting stickers. These are all functional. Bill due, to do, appointment, priority, meeting, due date, chores, and important. Then we have a page of clear floral stickers here. A beautiful color palette. Another page of clear stickers with a nice color palette. Okay, and then we have some doll stickers in the light brown and brown. The lady with the love your body swimsuit. This lady in this cute like jumpsuit, kind of. Yeah, in a cute jumpsuit. Lady in a yellow skirt. And then just the upper body of this lady down here. Okay, and then we have some more girls, some more doll stickers in different outfits. Definite summer vibes, summer and spring. And then we have this lady right here. Her shirt says, my story isn't over, and I like that. Then we have some paper floral stickers at the bottom. It's the rest of the ladies. Oh, she looks like she's about her business. So pretty. Love that. Then we have these kind of long stickers, and then they have dolls on the side. And we have these functional stickers down here. And then we have this page of decorative stickers just to spruce up your spread. I really love the color palette here, and everything's really harmonious. So if you're somebody who is not well versed in coming up with your own color palette, they have it, you know, already put together, so it's not going to be as difficult. Okay, and then we have a page of decorative boxes, decorative functional boxes, which I love. Then we have these circle stickers down here. And we have these number stickers, which is good for redating and just doing bullet journaling and stuff like that. Then we have these flag stickers that say you can do this, best day ever, weekend, slay, self-care, I'm doing this for me. Love that. Love that. Blessed beyond measure. Keep going, keep growing. Then we have these kind of habit trackers for water. Colorful boxes, but these are more curved shaped, curved rectangles. And then we have some that are more decorative on the edge. Then we have some more decorative stickers. Good energy is contagious. Make yourself priority. It will be okay. Slay sis. Keep going. Happy thoughts. Mindset is everything. Yes. And then we have some functional boxes with the little dolls in the corners. And they're representing all shapes and sizes. And then we have another page of bigger florals, and these are clear stickers. Okay, so on this page we have just quotes. So we have go after dreams, not people. Beautiful, capable, worthy. Give yourself time. Access to my energy is a privilege. This one says see rejection as redirection. Exfoliate the bad vibes. Choose happiness before success, and it will be okay. Then we have some words over here, some habit trackers that you can set up, and these cute circle stickers in the middle. Oh my goodness, so pretty. Oh my gosh, this girl has a head wrap. I'm gonna die. Look at her. Oh my gosh. Okay, these stickers say affirmations, me time, and self-care. Okay, and then we have notes. And then we have some washi stickers on the side and at the bottom. And with the notes, they have a few of them with, 2 of these have doll stickers in the bottom. And look at her shortcut, big hoop earrings and off the shoulder top. Oh my gosh. I love Goldmine and Coco because first of all, it's owned by a Black woman, so she understands what we like. And she has all these different hairstyles, all these different body types and complexions. So, okay, here we go. Some more redating options, like super cute. So we have the days of the week. Then we have email, shopping, this jewel here. We have the house, probably for mortgage payment, trash, money, probably to pay bills or get paid. And then we have this car payment or car maintenance. Then we have these washi stickers at the bottom with the shoes, and then with the heads of the planner dolls down there. Okay, so that was everything that I got this month from Goldmine and Coco, and I really do appreciate them working with me. I have been in the planner community for almost 2 years, and this is like my first brand ambassador situation, and I really appreciate you guys. I appreciate my subscribers as well. Thank you guys so much for rocking with me. I've been getting a lot more comments and interaction with my videos. I don't have like tons of views, but the interactions are becoming more and more, and I really appreciate you guys. So I want to do a giveaway. Goldmine and Coco sent me the stuff I just showed you, but I did order at the same time one of the sticker books that I just showed you, and I'm going to be giving it away to one of my subscribers. So all you have to do is be subscribed to my channel. It's open to international subscribers as well as US residents as well. Subscribe to my channel, comment below as you usually would. Tell me how long you've been a planner babe, what's your favorite sticker book, and something you're looking forward to during the holiday season. So thank you guys so much for rocking with me, and shout out to Goldmine and Coco for sending me some more awesome products. You guys check them out. So look out for more of their new drops that are about to release. And be sure to use my coupon code Brittany10 to save 10%. And all of the rules for the giveaway will be listed down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.